What is up, people? It's your boy again, Filipino Radio UK, and today we are off to Colchester. Off to Ace first, meet up with Rog and Jet. Tapos pagkagaling namin maybe it's just a quick pop-up na lang kasi ang usapan ay 9 AM bro, and it's 8:53. I got 11 minutes to get there. There's a chance I might get there only kung titago ko yung plaka ko. What the fuck? But yeah, we're off there, and then we're off to Colchester, meet up with Papa Will kasi nga hindi siya makalabas, wala siyang motor, so siya na lang pupuntahan namin. Saka hindi rin siya pwedeng payagan ng misis niya kasi baka anytime baka manganak siya.
Babe ko.
Meet ko kayo, sabi ni Will. So guys, dito na kami sa Brent Cross Shopping Center there. On the way na kami sa Colchester. Raj, saan ka punta? To the north. Ano guys, kung sa Pilipinas ang traffic is sa mga normal highway, dito sa motorway, which is sa expressway, ang traffic. Nakita nyo naman, uy, sana all ganun lang mirror. Yung mirror niya sa loob kasi nga may camera. Tibay niya, oh. Ka-t-shirt man. Ay, 80 miles ang biyahe namin pala ngayon. Jeez, 80 ba o 70? I don't know. We will see you guys when we are near there. Was supposed to be ready Friday. Raj, you know what you forgot? Forgot to turn off your bike.
Cancel.
No, it's off. Nothing new, nothing much. Yun nasa Colchester. Colchester. No, he doesn't even have a bike. He's waiting out. Because this guy's not here yet. He said to meet up with at Tim Hortons. Pero wala pa. Meh.
Really tight.
Suki rin ng Monster Pack.
Kulang na lang.
Ayaw mo na mag-pre-workout.
Mahal eh. Mas mura
ang Monster.
Hindi, mas mura ang pre-workout.
Ha?
Mas mura kaya.
Pero
So nga, may host kami dyan, men.
bili ka sa Amazon, yung gold na lang. Mas nakasale sila.
Sa ano bro? Sa... Ano na ito? Sa Costco.
Ah man, the Monster, the gold one.
Bilis mo pre. Hindi pa na nakuhunan. Malis ka na.
Siyempre, teleport.
Hindi pa naman yung camera mo.
Wala siyang ano, wala kayong yung gas na ginaganon.
Teleport.
Yeah.
Mano-mano. Mano-mano.
Kasi gumagamit ka ng ganun, di ba? Pag nagpa-barbecue tayo.
We've got a whole lot of fuel.
Gasolinahan mo.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just
Kuha kayo ng konting gasolina dyan sa mga motor niyo.
Yung full tank. Yung dalawa, you guys had filled up. I haven't. Filled up in the morning. Mimik niya. Yung polvoron ang naiwan. Yan na nga guys, tapos na kami sa Colchester and we are on our way home. And yeah, medyo yun na nga. Nakalimutan ko mag video kasi nga nag enjoy ako sa pinaggagawa namin doon. Nagpa-barbecue si Will. Salamat, maraming salamat boy. So uulitin hopefully kung kailan ulit, but yeah, everything was good man. Like the ride was fine, coming here was easy, nice and easy to get here. Hindi kami na traffic or ano kasi nga nakamotor naman kami. But yeah, definitely we'll come back here in Colchester. It's a nice ride. Nanginan kami kahit paano. And yeah, fresh air kasi nakalabas kami outside London. And it was really good. Hey, balik kami sa susunod. But yeah guys, it's nice to be back on the road doing my vlog, getting these videos done. Namiss ko mag-vlog guys. Ilang araw, ilang linggo rin na hindi ako napag-vlog. And yeah, the editing will be really, really long, but I have to do it. Syempre guys, para naman may panood tayo, no? And make sure to hit that share, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe as well guys. Comment down below guys yung mga nanonood dito sa aking YouTube channel, because this will be uploaded in my YouTube channel. I hope you guys watch it and make sure to subscribe. Yeah, peace out Filipino Rada.